Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disconnect Waze and stop your GPS route. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, let's focus on stopping the GPS route that's currently active. For this example, let's say you already have a route running in Waze and you want to end it. On the bottom of your screen, you'll see a menu. Go ahead and drag this menu upwards to expand it. This will reveal additional options related to your current route. Once the menu is fully expanded, you'll notice a button that says Stop. Click on this button to immediately end your current GPS route. This action will cancel the navigation and stop Waze from providing turn-by-turn directions. It's a quick way to exit your route without closing the entire app, which is useful if you've reached your destination early or decided to take a different path. Now that we've stopped the active route, let's move on to completely disconnecting Waze. To do this, direct your attention to the top of your screen where you'll find a menu icon represented by 3 horizontal lines. Go ahead and click on this icon to open the main menu. This menu gives you access to various settings and controls for the Waze application. From the options that appear in this menu, look for and click on Shut Off. This option will completely disconnect Waze and close the application entirely. Unlike just stopping a route, this fully exits the app and stops all GPS tracking in the background, which can help save battery life and ensure your location isn't being monitored when you don't need it. And that's it. You've successfully stopped your GPS route and disconnected Waze. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.